Well, the DA is speaking for the first time since she brought charges against former President Donald Trump. Today, we learned Trump will not be heading to trial in October, but two of his former attorneys will. Political reporter Doug Reardon live outside the courthouse in downtown Atlanta with all these new details. Doug.
Yeah, good evening, Alan. You know, the district attorney had really wanted to prosecute all 19 of these indictment defendants together in one big trial. She has experience doing stuff like that with massive RICO indictments, but she said she is, in her words, happy with just the two for now and is ready to go.
I know that my office can try big cases. I tried 13 people at the same time. We're not scared of large RICO indictments, and we're here for the task and ready to go.
Those were District Attorney Fani Willis's first public words on the indictment since it was filed just about a month ago. Hours before, Judge Scott McAfee, who's overseeing the case, decided to move ahead with trials for Kenneth Chesborough and Sidney Powell, two former Trump lawyers, on October 23rd.
Let's do it. October 23rd can't come fast enough.
Lawyers for Chesborough and Powell asked for a speedy trial under Georgia law, and they got one. The other 17 defendants, including former President Donald Trump, will be tried together at a later date. On Thursday, Powell and Chesborough's attorneys fought to interview the grand jurors who handed up the election interference charges while the state fought back.
The prosecution's trying to send my client to prison. So the idea that I might want the same access to information that the state of Georgia has should not be very controversial.
There is no authority that allows what they're asking the court to allow them to do.
Defense attorneys wanted to know if grand jurors felt any pressure from prosecutors to okay the charges. In the end, Judge McAfee said they could interview them, but it would be up to the grand jurors themselves to accept or reject the offer. Now comes the difficult process of picking a trial jury. McAfee wants one seated by November 3rd, just 2 weeks after the trial starts.
We're probably going to have to adopt the federal practice of a clock and a timeline, and you have so much time per panel, and however you want to use it to see fit.
And that may not be the worst idea in the world. We should note that another RICO case going on here right inside this building in Fulton County, the YSL gang trial, has been in the middle of jury selection for almost 9 months now. They haven't even started deliberations or any trials, and that one is way less profiled than this, of course, Georgia indictment case. We're live outside the Fulton County Courthouse. Doug Reardon, Atlanta News First.